how to build a skincare routine for beginners. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to skincare and feeling overwhelmed with where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a simple yet effective skincare routine for beginners. From choosing the right cleanser to picking the perfect moisturizer, we'll break it all down step by step so you can start caring for your skin with confidence. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this routine is perfect for anyone looking to create a foundation for healthy, glowing skin. Let's dive into the video. Step 1. Cleanser. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities that build up on the skin throughout the day. It's the first step to clear, healthy skin. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Hydrating Cleanser for dry or sensitive skin. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Foaming Facial Cleanser for oily or combination skin. Use in the morning and night. Step 2. Toner, optional. Toners help to balance the skin's pH, hydrate, and prep the skin for better absorption of the next products. Thayer's Alcohol Free Witch Hazel Toner, hydrating and soothing. Pixie Glow Tonic for gentle exfoliation with glycolic acid. Use these toners after cleansing. Step 3. Moisturizer. Moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated and protects the skin's barrier. Even oily skin needs moisture to prevent overproduction of oil. Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel for oily combination skin. CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for normal to dry skin. Apply a pea-sized amount of moisturizer after cleansing and toning. Use both morning and night. Step 4. Sunscreen, daytime only. Sunscreen is essential to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, dark spots, and skin cancer. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50, lightweight and non-greasy. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen SPF 55, affordable and effective. Apply sunscreen as the last step of your morning skincare routine. Step 5. Treatment and serum, optional. Serums contain concentrated ingredients that target specific skin concerns like acne, hyperpigmentation, or anti-aging. The ordinary niacinamide, 10% plus zinc, 1% for acne and oil control. The ordinary hyaluronic acid, 2% plus B5 for hydration. After cleansing and toning, if you use one. Step 6. Eye cream, optional. Eye creams are designed to hydrate and protect the delicate skin around the eyes. Some eye creams also help with dark circles and puffins. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream for hydration and dark circles. The Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream for puffiness and tired-looking eyes. Use a small amount and gently tap it around your eye area, morning and night. Additional tips for beginners: start simple. Focus on a basic routine with a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. You can add treatments like serums and toners once you're comfortable. Patch test new products. Always test new products on a small area of your skin before using them on your face to avoid reactions. Consistency is key. Stick to your routine daily and be patient. Results often take time, especially for treatments like serums or exfoliants. By following these steps and adjusting for your skin type, you'll have a well-rounded, beginner-friendly skincare routine. Thanks for watching. See you next time.